This is the Flantor garden drip irrigation system. Let's take it out of the plastic. In the package we find 50 foot worth of 1/2 inch tubing, as you see here, 50 foot worth of 1/4 inch tubing. Over here we find a bunch of tees, and these tees will allow you to tee together the 1/2 inch pipe. Each one of these has a smaller piece on it that allows you to connect up the smaller hose, which then goes to your emitters here, and they give you 20 of these. Also included is a roll of PTFE teflon tape, some stakes to put everything into the ground, and then a bunch of faucet and quick release adapters here, as you see, like that. Okay, so these quick adapters here can fit onto these things like this, for example. This one, for example, can go onto your hose. Just screw on there, and you're all set. And this other adapter has another adapter piece in it, as you see here, that will allow you to connect to all the rest of the stuff here. This piece here, if you wanted to, can connect to an existing pipe that you may have. It just has a screw clamp, as you see, like that. So that can loosen, and that can connect up to an existing setup that you have, an existing pipe. And there's one other piece that comes with it, which is included with all of the tees here. This is the end of line piece here, which just has a cap so you can cap off the end of it. So for an example, I just cut a couple of little pieces of tubing here just to show you how this would go together. We'll start by the faucet end. Take this off, slide it over that piece, and then it's going to go onto the barb over here. Then we take this and run that back up. Okay, so that piece is on. Now we'll get the T. We'll unscrew that, stick that piece on, plug that in over there, and screw that back. And now I'll take off this piece, put the hose through it. Seems to be a little tight. There we are. And we'll put that on there and screw that down. And here's the end cap. So we'll unscrew that. Put that over the hose. Put that barb on. And screw that down. So now I've created a manifold where we have simply one output, and that is going to be connected to the one emitter that I'm going to show you. And for that, very simply, the tubing just goes on over the barbs, just like we've seen with everything else, but there's no clamps or anything involved with this. You just put that on. You can also heat the tubing in some hot water or something if need be to help get it on there. And we'll put this one on like that. That should be fine. And now we have one emitter. And this is also adjustable, as you see. This can unscrew and screw in. So if you tighten it all the way down, you won't get as much water flow. If you loosen it some, you will get more water flow. So now everything is connected just to the one emitter, and we will go and try this out. So as you can see, you can adjust this from having just a little bit, or you can open it a little more, or a little more, or a lot more, and have it spray out like that. So once again, this was the Flantor garden drip irrigation system. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.